is for airplane soaring in the sky. Zoom, 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 zoom up so high. B is for balloon floating with the breeze. Whoosh, 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 fly with ease. C is for chopper spinning round and round. Brr, 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 up off the ground. D is for you're buzzing like a bee. This, over land and sea. E is for gleeful wings so wide. Flap, 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 gliding with pride. F is for fighter jet, fast as can be. Zoom, 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 watch and see. G is for glider, quiet and light. Shh, 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 smooth in flight. H is for hot air balloon, colorful and bright. Up, 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 what a sight. I is for interceptor, quick in the air. Whoosh, 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 zooming everywhere. J is for jet, flying super fast. Vroom, 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 zooming past. K is for kite, dancing in the sky. Swish, 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 watch it fly. L is for landing, craft coming down slow. Tap, 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 nice and low. M is for microlight, tiny but strong. Buzz, 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 buzz all day long. N is for nighthawk, flying in the night. Flap, 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 out of sight. O is for orbiter, traveling through space. Whoosh, 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 winning the race. P is for paraglider, floating on air. Swoosh, 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 swoosh,